is a training video for the rescue mission on how to change or delete a client reservation. So you're going to want to go to the WAFFLE and go to the attendance module. For this example, I'm going to be using the men's shelter. You're going to go to the men's shelter and click on the reservation button. And that will take you to the bed slot reservation page that shows all of the individual bed locations in the shelter. Now you'll see I already have 5 gentlemen with reservations for tonight. It's October 7th, 2021. And for this case, let's say that Stephen Rogers, who had a bed reserved, is going to get suspended and is going to lose this bed. And we also want to put another guest in that bed after we remove him. So what you're going to start with is you're going to click on the bed. You'll notice that for bed 3, we reserved Mr. Rogers a bed for 7 days, and he already has a reservation in until October 13th. So unfortunately, you have to get rid of reservations one night at a time. It's annoying, but here is the easiest and fastest way to do it. So you click on bed 3. We're going to come down here and we're going to switch from the bed slot view to the bed calendar view. So click this bar, this is calendar view, and it's going to bring you to a calendar that shows all of the nights that bed 3 is reserved. So Stephen has it from the 7th to the 13th. And we're going to remove him from this bed because he will no longer be staying in it now that he's suspended. So we're going to click on each night and we're going to come over here to the reservation box and we're going to delete it. So you'll click trash can and then you're going to click OK to confirm. All right, when that's gone, you go to the 8th, complete, and confirm. And we're going to do this for each night. Originally, I told staff that it's a good idea to reserve people for a month at a time, but then I realized how hard it was to delete people. So I'm recommending that you only reserve people for a week at a time to hold their beds. So we're just going to keep going till all of Mr. Rogers' bed reservations are gone. So now bed 3 is completely open. So now we're going to go back to the attendance module. We're going to go back to the men's shelter and click reservation. Now bed 3 is open and we have a new guest that just completed his intake and needs a bed. So we're going to put him in bed 3 now that it's open. So we're going to click on bed 3 and the reservation box opens over here. We're going to search for a client. Client's name is Anthony Stark, so I'm going to put in the first 3 letters of his first and last name. There's Mr. Stark, so we're going to select him. I'm going to make him a reservation for 7 days. I'm going to preview his reservation. He's reserved from the 7th to the 13th, and then I'm going to confirm. And now that everybody has a bed reservation confirmed, we can go back to the check-in module and check everybody in. The checking in people into beds is covered in a separate video.